If you're an adventure seeker, Taupo is the place for water activities. Whether it's a thrilling scuba diving experience or a relaxing boat tour, Taupo offers the best options for a fun-filled time on the water. Lake Taupo. Maori rock carvings 10:03 a.m., 1.5-hour cruise. Embark on a captivating journey along the crystal-clear, turquoise waters of Lake Taupo, where the vibrant essence of Maori culture comes alive. Set sail aboard a luxurious catamaran for an unforgettable exploration of the serene surroundings, framed by towering mountains and verdant forests. Indulge in the company of experienced guides, who will share insights into the natural beauty and cultural significance of this enchanting destination. As you glide gracefully across the lake, prepare for a unique experience. Approaching the majestic cliffs overlooking the pristine waters, an artist named Matahi Brightwell has created a monumental Maori rock carving. This magnificent work of art, completed in 1980, captures the intricate details of traditional facial tattoos, symbolizing a testament to the enduring legacy of Maori craftsmanship and cultural heritage. The sculpture, inspired by generations of Maori traditions, stands as a silent guardian over the tranquil waters below. Upon reaching the shore, immerse yourself further in the rich tapestry of Maori culture with a guided fishing demonstration. Expertly set up, the team demonstrates how to cast their lines, offering valuable tips and advice on the best practices for angling in the clear waters of Lake Taupo. Whether you choose to fish or simply relax, this session promises to enhance your appreciation for both nature and local customs. Your voyage concludes at the picturesque dock, where you can disembark and savor the memories made during this extraordinary adventure. As you reflect upon your day, remember the breathtaking landscapes, the skilled craftsmanship of Matahi Brightwell, and the profound connection between humans and the land, forged through time-honored traditions. Lake Taupo. Sailing trip to the Maori rock carvings. Embark on a thrilling sailing adventure aboard a historic sailing vessel, captivated by the serene beauty of Lake Taupo. This vast, crystal-clear body of water, situated as the largest freshwater lake in Australasia, promises an unparalleled view of its majestic landscapes, towering mountains, secluded coves, verdant bushlands, and the enchanting flora surrounding them. Join our expertly guided tour to uncover the rich historical tapestry woven into the fabric of the lake's ecosystem. Discover the profound significance of Maori rock carvings, which serve as silent guardians of ancient stories and traditions passed down through generations. Engage in the exhilarating act of sailing, contributing to the smooth operation of the vessel if desired, or simply revel in the luxury of sitting back and enjoying the company of fellow travelers. Savor the serenity of the lake while listening to soothing melodies and the rhythmic lapping of waves against the hull. Capture the essence of the journey by indulging in a refreshing dip in the pristine waters of Lake Taupo, then return home feeling rejuvenated and refreshed. Hukafalls. 30-minute jet boat experience. Your adventurous journey through the picturesque Waikato River will unfold amidst its serene landscapes, characterized by verdant native bush, towering rock formations, and pristine natural hot springs. From this elevated viewpoint aboard the state-of-the-art Hukafalls jet boat, you'll witness breathtaking vistas of Hukafalls, offering unparalleled views of its majestic waters. This high-performance vessel boasts exceptional maneuverability, allowing you to experience the thrill of navigating swiftly alongside the turbulent rapids of Hukafalls. As you ride smoothly downstream, marvel at the mesmerizing spectacle of the fall's powerful currents as they pass beneath your boat's wake. Upon approaching the thermal region, watch as steam rises from the confluence of a warm stream, creating a surreal atmosphere. Nearby, explore the Huka Prawn Park and admire the Wairakei geothermal power station, both showcasing the region's rich geological heritage. Your route also includes a close encounter with towering rock cliffs, with each passing mile providing an adrenaline rush enhanced by your knowledgeable pilot's expertise. Lake Taupo. 155-hour Maori rock carvings 5 p.m. cruise. Cruise through the serene waters of Lake Taupo during the balmy summer evenings. For over 4 decades, renowned entertainer Chris Jolly has captivated audiences with his tours of the Maori rock carvings, which have become globally recognized landmarks. These ancient carvings, dating back to the 1980s, stand tall against the backdrop of the lake's tranquil shores, offering an unforgettable experience for nature enthusiasts and history buffs alike. Experience the ultimate family-friendly adventure aboard our vessel, where interactive activities catered specifically to children will delight visitors of all ages. Our ship features modern amenities designed for comfort, ensuring a memorable journey regardless of the weather conditions. Join us for a voyage that promises breathtaking vistas of Tongariro National Park and panoramic views of the surrounding landscapes, making every moment spent on board an enchanting experience. Indulge in a lavish selection of beverages throughout the cruise, including a full bar staffed with knowledgeable hosts who provide insightful commentary on the historical significance and artistic beauty of the Maori rock carvings. As night falls, enjoy the serenity of Lake Taupo under its starlit sky, surrounded by the majesty of Tongariro National Park. This evening is reserved solely for enjoyment, providing a perfect end to a day exploring the region's natural wonders.